Lengo Cards English Practice. 30 vegetables with examples. Peas.
Peas are small, round, and green. Peas are small, round, and green.
Sweet potato.
A sweet potato is orange on the inside and tastes sweet. A sweet potato is orange on the inside and tastes sweet.
Cucumber.
A cucumber is a long and green vegetable that is good for making salads. A cucumber is a long and green vegetable that is good for making salads.
Garlic.
Garlic makes food taste good but can make your breath smelly. Garlic makes food taste good but can make your breath smelly.
Radish.
A radish is a small, crunchy vegetable that is usually red or pink. A radish is a small, crunchy vegetable that is usually red or pink.
Asparagus.
Asparagus is a long and thin green vegetable that is very healthy. Asparagus is a long and thin green vegetable that is very healthy.
Artichoke.
An artichoke is a vegetable that looks like a flower and is usually green. An artichoke is a vegetable that looks like a flower and is usually green.
Potato.
A potato is a type of vegetable that can be baked, mashed, or fried. A potato is a type of vegetable that can be baked, mashed, or fried.
Leek.
A leek is a long and skinny vegetable that tastes like onion. A leek is a long and skinny vegetable that tastes like onion.
Turnip.
A turnip is a root vegetable that is white on the inside and purple on the outside. A turnip is a root vegetable that is white on the inside and purple on the outside.
Carrot.
A carrot is orange and crunchy, and good for your eyes. A carrot is orange and crunchy, and good for your eyes.
French beans.
French beans are green and long, and can be eaten raw or cooked. French beans are green and long, and can be eaten raw or cooked.
Courgette.
A courgette is a type of squash that is usually green and can be eaten raw or cooked. A courgette is a type of squash that is usually green and can be eaten raw or cooked.
Aubergine.
An aubergine is a vegetable that is purple on the outside and white on the inside. An aubergine is a vegetable that is purple on the outside and white on the inside.
Cauliflower.
Cauliflower is a vegetable that is white and can be eaten raw or cooked. Cauliflower is a vegetable that is white and can be eaten raw or cooked.
Tomato.
A tomato is a fruit that is red and used in salads, sandwiches, and sauces. A tomato is a fruit that is red and used in salads, sandwiches, and sauces.
Lettuce.
Lettuce is a leafy green vegetable that is good for making salads. Lettuce is a leafy green vegetable that is good for making salads.
Onion.
An onion is a vegetable that is usually white or yellow and makes you cry when you cut it. An onion is a vegetable that is usually white or yellow and makes you cry when you cut it.
Mushroom.
A mushroom is a fungus that is used in cooking and has a unique flavor. A mushroom is a fungus that is used in cooking and has a unique flavor.
Pumpkin.
A pumpkin is a large, round, and orange vegetable that is often used for Halloween decorations. A pumpkin is a large, round, and orange vegetable that is often used for Halloween decorations.
Beetroot.
Beetroot is a vegetable that is usually purple or red and can be eaten raw or cooked. Beetroot is a vegetable that is usually purple or red and can be eaten raw or cooked.
Bok choy.
Bok choy is a type of Chinese cabbage that is good for stir-fries and soups. Bok choy is a type of Chinese cabbage that is good for stir-fries and soups.
Cabbage.
Cabbage is a vegetable that is often used in salads, coleslaw, and stir-fries. Cabbage is a vegetable that is often used in salads, coleslaw, and stir-fries.
Broccoli.
Broccoli is a green vegetable that looks like a small tree and is very healthy. Broccoli is a green vegetable that looks like a small tree and is very healthy.
Brussels sprouts.
Brussels sprouts are small green vegetables that grow on a stalk and are often eaten cooked. Brussels sprouts are small green vegetables that grow on a stalk and are often eaten cooked.
Butternut.
A butternut is a type of squash that is similar to a pumpkin and is usually tan or beige in color. A butternut is a type of squash that is similar to a pumpkin and is usually tan or beige in color.
Spinach.
Spinach is a leafy green vegetable that is very healthy and can be eaten raw or cooked. Spinach is a leafy green vegetable that is very healthy and can be eaten raw or cooked.
Celery.
Celery is a crunchy green vegetable that is good for dipping in hummus or peanut butter. Celery is a crunchy green vegetable that is good for dipping in hummus or peanut butter.
Dill.
Dill is an herb that has a strong and distinct flavor. Dill is an herb that has a strong and distinct flavor.
Pepper.
A pepper is a vegetable that can be red, green, yellow, or orange, and is often used to add flavor to food. A pepper is a vegetable that can be red, green, yellow, or orange, and is often used to add flavor to food.